Today I'm finally using more Olaplex 3 in my hair. By the way, it is before Christmas when I'm filming this, but you'll probably see this sometime in January, so that is why we have the tree still here. Today I have given my hair a gentle cleanse and I've just had my hair up in this towel for about 30 minutes, so it is clean and damp now. I did add a little bit of conditioner in the shower to make detangling a bit easier. I just realized today though, detangling in sections on damp hair is much easier than detangling all my hair in the shower. I took a section down at a time, thoroughly detangled it, and then I applied a little bit of Olaplex to each section, really working it through, massaging it in, and then brushing it through to make sure it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. We want to have every single strand coated in this stuff, and then I move on to the next section and so on. You do have to be careful squeezing it out. There were occasions when I accidentally squeeze out a bit too much. So when I accidentally squeeze out too much, then I used that product for both my left side and the right side of my hair. Olaplex is such an amazing product as it is one of the few products out there that can actually help to rebuild the bonds in our hair. This means if you have damaged hair, if you color it, bleach it, use heat, or just from everyday wear and tear, then this product will help perk up your hair and really benefit you. My hair has felt in a bit of a funk lately, and I don't know if my definition isn't lasting because of the length of my hair or because my hair needs an Olaplex treatment due to the fact that I diffuse on high heat almost every wash day. Plus, I have colored my hair a couple of times this past year, including a high lift color twice, which isn't as damaging as bleach, but still a bit damaging, and I haven't used Olaplex at all in that time, so I really think it'll make a huge difference to my hair today. Olaplex is quite expensive, but it's one of the few products that I think are totally worth it, especially for beginners to kickstart your healthy hair journey. I got about 6 or 7 uses out of my 100ml bottle, and the one I'm using today is much bigger at 250ml, so in theory this should last me about 15 uses, and if I do it once a month or every 2 months, then it will last well over a year. Of course, if your hair is more damaged, you may want to use it more frequently, such as every 2 weeks or so, and of course you'll go through it a bit quicker, but still worth it in my opinion. Even if you have virgin and healthy hair, I think almost everyone will have at least some degree of damage and will be able to benefit from Olaplex. To get the best out of your Olaplex treatment, you should be applying it to clean and damp hair. In the past, I have used it on dirty damp hair, but I didn't get as good results until the following wash day. It was only when I came to the end of the bottle and used it on clean hair did I really notice a difference in how it worked, so I almost feel like I wasted half of my first bottle, so learn from my mistakes, please. I do have another video explaining all about Olaplex, but it was towards the beginning of starting YouTube, so I feel like I talk really slow in that video. Feel free to check it out if you want more information, and of course comment down below if you have any more questions. I would be happy to answer them. It's also important to note that Olaplex is not a protein treatment and it is not a deep conditioner. It's not going to moisturize your hair and it doesn't have protein in it, but the ingredients in it do repair and strengthen your hair. Once I get to the end, I then clipped all my hair up, put a shower cap over my hair because I wanted to put a towel on because I don't want to be walking around with a cold head for an hour and a half, so to try and keep me warm. I will then go and deep condition my hair, shampoo. I will probably skip conditioner today. I'll style, diffuse, all that jazz, and I'll be back to show you the finished results later on. I'm leaving this on for about an hour and a half, by the way. Here are the finished results. Although not quite finished, my hair is still in a slight cast, and I will be leaving this in for a little while because I'm going out later, so I'm just gonna let it chill in the cast before scrunching it out, and I will include a video clip or a photo of how my hair looks later on. You can see that my hair has perked up quite a bit. It's looking quite short right now, and I've got some nice definition. Here is some more content from me that you might enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!